you're
darling, even though you're here like every other month, every third month, all the exercise, I'm giving your ligament this base so nothing goes back. That whole bullshit of not holding the adjustment or anything, no, it's not true. We're changing the communication of the body to the brain, and the brain's control of the body. Hands go in here, go around the base of the neck. You don't pull out, you pull down with about 2 pounds of pressure. You point your chin to the ceiling, look straight ahead and relax. So you're not bending back, you're bending up like a turtle.
Okay.
So just 2 pounds of pressure.
Okay.
So chin to the ceiling, then nope, then straight ahead and relax. So it's so weird, but everyone's like this. This is how to do it. This is not how to do it.
Okay.
So like a turtle, I know, up and then straight ahead. Less 2 pounds of pressure. So it's up higher than the lumbar support, where this is, but this one, 20 minutes in, 10 minutes out.
Okay.
But see what it does? It's restoring the curve in the low back. So now we're restoring nerve supply to the gut. But what does it feel like up here?
Amazing.
Oh my God, if you saw it, I should have shown your thermography because I could light a cigar on the middle of your shoulder blades. But I'm fine. I know.
Wow.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's like I can breathe.
It's everything.